Decoding the Secret Helpers, a journey into helping verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel where we are on a mission to help you master the English language. Today, we are going to dive deep into the realm of helping verbs. In this video, we are going to explore what helping verbs are, how they work, and most importantly, we will be practicing how to use helping verbs in context. So, let's unravel the mystery together. Helping verbs, also known as auxiliary verbs, are used together with the main verb to express the action or state being described. They help to clarify the tense, mood, voice, or aspect of the main verb. Common examples include be, have, do, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. Why are helping verbs so important? They play a critical role in changing the meaning of sentences. For instance, the verb run just means an act of running. But when we add the helping verb can before run, the sentence becomes I can run, which means that I have the ability to run. The helping verb can has modified the meaning of the sentence. Now, let's see how to use helping verbs in context with some examples. 1. To show ability or potential, we use can, could, may, might, and must to show possibility or ability. E.g., she can play the piano. 2. To show obligation or necessity, we use must, shall, and should to indicate necessity. E.g., we must save the environment. 3. To indicate continuation or completion, have and has indicate that something has occurred in the past and may still be happening. E.g., he has been studying for hours. 4. To ask questions, we often start questions with helping verbs. E.g., do you like apples? Now it's your turn to practice. Try to create sentences using helping verbs. The best way to learn is by doing, so go ahead and apply what you've learned today by writing sentences with different helping verbs in the comments below. We'll review them and give you feedback. So, that's our journey into the world of helping verbs. We hope this video has made the concept clearer for you. Remember, learning a new language is a process, and practice is the key to success. Keep practicing your use of helping verbs and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language lessons. Until next time, happy learning!